Hi traders, this is the third video for today. So today is 25th of March 2020. We are now live day trading uh, indexes Russell 2000 using micro account and so standard account. So at this moment, this is the third signal appeared today, and we are on the buy position, buy long, and still the current situation that the price have been moved above the VWAP area and make a minor pullback over here. So you can see that there's a high tendency for market to go further high as the projection for now. And we can see from the NQ and E-Mini S&P futures, the same market pattern can be seen clearly, and for the Russell as well. So I've entered one lot position size for Russell at 1085.9, and we expected to go higher, which is around 20 to 25 points. Hopefully I can get it, then I will try not to go flat with the small profit. So try this time to go even furthermore to gain more on the running profit. So as for now, we have set our stop loss at a bit minus the VWAP line. Hopefully it will not touch there. And yes, the PNL at this moment is minus not much, minus 9.5 US dollar, or maybe in standard mini account it will be 95 US dollar in losses. But this is still ongoing. This is a floating negative, and I will pause this video and resume back later on. So by the way, there's a link below in the description. Feel free to click on it. So please watch this video till the end. Okay, so this small triangle over here is my entry, and I'm expecting it to go higher. Okay, guys, we pause for a while and resume later on. Alright traders, we resume back again. So as for now, it looks quite promising because we can see now there's a big blue candle appeared on this screen, so which is indicate that there's a high tendency for market to go for a long swing bullish movement. So we have reached 28 US dollar in profit just now. For the standard mini account is 280 US dollar in profit, and this will be create more opportunity for us to go for the buy position. So you can see there's a breakthrough this dotted green line from NQ and as well the E-Mini and SFE futures. But for the Russell, still a few more ticks away, and but it's still a same pattern. That's as more likely that we have a confirmation, this right candle over here, confirmation of the continuation of the bullish movement as for now. And let's hope another red candle appeared and will bring the price level to the higher side, so we can earn more. But my target is at should be around 20 to 25 points, which is my entry is at 85. Then I'm targeting 1005 should be a good exit. So 1000, sorry, 1100, 1105, 1105 will be a good profit target area, which is for 25 points. For normal standard E-Mini Russell account, 25 by 50 should be 1250 US dollar in profit. As for day trade in with micro, should be around 125 US dollar. Alright, so this, here we go. Okay, that's the target. So let's wait. Is it the target somewhere? Yeah, somewhere near to the nearest high for today. Today is today's high is somewhere here, which is at 10.40. Okay, let's hope everything will be fine. And I'm moving my stop loss to the higher place. So let's take a look and let's find a good place for us to find the stop loss. So maybe 1080 will be a good stop loss as for now. So we revise the stop loss from 1079 to 1080.5. In case the price reverse back, then we know it's not going to have another movement to the higher side. In case the price move back to the downside, and we will later raise this stop loss to the level higher here. Alright, as indication for us to keep reminded that once it's go below here, it's impossible for the market to have a very good bullish swing. For now, that's the idea. So we have reached 300 for normal standard account US dollar in profit, for micro account 30 US dollar. So let's wait all here. Okay, we have found one sell signal, sorry, one red candle here, mentioning that there will be a continuation to the higher side, especially for the E-Mini S&P futures, but for others as well, only one, but for E-Mini already two. So there's more likely that market will go on the higher price movement. Okay guys, we'll pause this video and resume later on once near the profit targeted area. Hi traders, looks good at this moment. We one lot micro 42 US dollar. For the standard mini account is around 420 US dollar was a good one, and I'm targeting to exit the market any moment soon. But as for now, the market just begin to make a move to the higher side. So will begin, or I will change my stop loss to the positive side, perhaps somewhere here at 1086.5. So let's do it to change the stop loss to 1086.5. So yep, 6 more point ahead. Just put 6 over here, then here we go. Alright, the purple line will move. Alright, so it's about my entry level. So here is the limit down we are going to take. So that's mean now less risk. So let the price move to the higher side. So in case the price have more solid situation, then will prevail. As long as the bullish is prevail, then I can move the stop loss more higher to this 88, which is we are on the positive side. Only a small, but good enough. So to exit now also quite I don't know. I always exit earlier than my target. I'm not sure why. Since it's like as long profit, then I will be happy. Then find another trade to make sure it's a good trade, because every trade we can make money. So just to make sure you don't expect more, so that you miss out the small amount, then had to accept the losses. Okay, now 43 US dollar looks good. So I will pause this video and we'll resume later on once I determine whether we can exit before the TP price level or not. So as for now, still waiting. So there's no indication that the market will move further down. Okay, at this moment there's a solid argument that the market will go bullish kind of movement and continuation of the trend. Same goes to the E-Mini S&P and also the Nasdaq 100. Alright traders, everything's looks good at this moment. We are 53 US dollar in profit for this micro account. For the normal standard account, 535 US dollar in profit. So it was a good trade, I believe. So at the moment I will exit as usual, faster than I'm supposed to exit. So let's wait. Hopefully okay, let's take a look on the chart. So there's this tree. So I have problem with my internet for a while, so let's wait. Okay, now we are back. I think I will exit. Okay, now drop. By 60 or by 58 I will exit. I will not wait any longer. I think should be enough now. For normal standard account, 1020 US dollar in profit for the mini standard account, but for this micro account should be around 100 USD. Should be good enough with the small margin of capital. Okay, I think I will exit now. More than 55. I'm exiting. So even though I'm still targeting the price, I will move higher. So 54, 52, 50, 50, 51. Okay, 53 now back. The highest just now is at 98. Another 10 more USD, which is already reaching 60 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, still by 58 I will exit the market. Should be good enough. For the normal standard account, you will earn 580 US dollar in profit. Sure, It was an easy trade. So today we have three trades and all winning trade. You can watch in my playlist or my other video. Same date today, and I have recorded everything for Asia session. This one is under London session. Okay, it keeps going down. I'm expecting to exit, but now 48. Rather than now move my stop loss to 89.60. 89.6. Okay, it moves higher. It moves higher. Then there's a sound there indicate. Okay, we go flat first. Go flat first. Can I get the 55? 96. So my entry is over here, down here at this small can triangle, 85.90. Exit at 96.40. So let's count it. 96.40 minus 1085. What's the 85.90? 190. Okay, that's 10.5 points, which is around ticks 105 ticks. Okay, one ticks is around 50 cent. This is micro for normal standard Russell account. If you traded it, 1 point is equal to $50. So 10 points is like 550 US dollar. It was a good trade and very fast one as well. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe this channel for more videos in futures. So there's a lot of live video trading in my playlist, so feel free to see on it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.